the industrial grade materials that are used in the market for conventional processing into 3D printing. And really, the materials that we're printing with are some of the most durable plastics. What we are able to do is by adapting the 3D printing process to be able to use these durable materials, then suddenly we're able to open up applications that demand the durability of these kinds of materials. Thermosets, which are the category of plastics that we print with, are some of the most durable products that are used and durable materials that are used in conventional processes. And so what we've done as an approach is that rather than adopting the materials to work in conventional 3D printing processes, we've looked at how we take the materials that people want to use and adapt the printing to be able to use those industrial grade materials. These are exactly the kinds of applications that we can go into, places where the material and the product needs to be able to move and not break over time. The first main advantage is in durability. So most efforts in the 3D printing world to make their materials more durable has been to change the raw materials themselves. They'll go to a more advanced plastic or a nylon or something like that. But when you study how materials fail and how parts fail, the biggest cause is actually the fact that there's adhesion between either particles or between beads that have been deposited by FDM. And so the advantage that we bring is that from one bead to the next, we are chemically bonding. So from one bead to the next, there's no voids, which can lead to crack propagation. And it's basically a solid part that is uniform composition with no flaws that leads to the ability to have a more durable part. On top of that, the liquids themselves, when they're combined to form polymers, are some of the most durable polymers that can be found. So not only are we making a part that won't fail and we're taking the failure points out of the part, but we're also forming the part with some of the most durable plastics that can be found in the industry today.